you guys. I hope we're all starting the new year off right. Who could believe that it's actually 2023? I thought that was so long ago back in the day. And we're here. So I hope everybody has started their new year off. I wish you guys a whole year filled of abundance, love, and peace. And today, in this video, we are doing a purse haul. Have not done one in a minute, but this is for Coach. So I have a little mini Coach haul here. I was busy during Black Friday buying stuff from the Coach outlet, and I know some of you were too because I seen some of y'all videos. So I'm going to show you guys what I picked up on that Black Friday sale, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, the first item I'm going to show you, I've already unwrapped everything because, you know, if you order something from Coach, they have everything so wrapped up that, you know, you can't even show somebody without having to turn the camera off and coming back. So I've kind of done away with all of that. And I've unwrapped everything so I can quickly show you. So the first bag we're going to start here is the mini Rowan. So I picked this one up, and I picked this one up simply because it reminded me of the Louis Vuitton mini, this small speedy that you can't find anywhere, and I thought, why don't I just grab this one? So let me just show you what I have, guys. Pull it out of here, and this is my new bag. Look at her. So she is so cute, and she's crossbody. You see we have the long straps here. And I picked up a pretty neutral looking color here, like the khaki color and the brown, and it has the gold hardware here, and I thought that would be really cute. It's simple. This is a great bag when you are trying to just take the essentials. So bags like this get the most use for me in the summertime and the spring when there's activities to do and I literally just want to have my basics and I don't want to carry a bunch of crap. These are the bags that I reach for. So I thought this is so cute. It is so adorable. So the mini Rowan, I picked that up for $111 and some change. And let me show you guys the inside for this one. And this is her 360. Hold on, I ain't show you the 360, so we're gonna go slow for y'all so we can show you. But this is so cute. I can't wait to use this one. Like, I'm so hyped. You guys don't know. Now they have it stuck with a bunch of paper, and I'm gonna just take all this stuff out of here. Like I said, these bags are normally very well protected when they come to you, and you know. So on the inside, I'll try and show you guys. It's just a regular interior here, and there are spots for 2 cards, so you can put 2 cards in here. And when I say the essentials, I mean just that. The Coach tag is back here in the back, and literally it's just the essentials, people. Phone. Maybe a wallet if you want to take a wallet, if you just want to take your 2 cards and your phone, lip gloss, lipstick, and kind of just get it all in there. Now, I don't know if my phone will fit, but we'll see. My phone may have a little problem. Hey, she made it, guys. My phone made it. So my phone can fit in here with some lip gloss, maybe some lotion, and gum. And I got a spot for my 2 cards, and we do have a little pocket here on the front, which is perfect. So you could put a little something in here. It's not going to be enough space for anything big, but maybe something flat can go in here. I don't know. Something flat can go in there. I don't know. Maybe a stick of gum. A couple of sticks of gum can go in there. Yes. So this is the mini Rowan, guys, and the color is khaki and saddle, and with the gold hardware. So she's my new cutie patootie to add to my already large growing collection of Coach. I'm gonna have to show y'all a Coach collection video. My Coach is probably ridiculous, but I have more Coach than any other designer. But Coach is always my first love. Always will buy Coach products. Enjoy them. They hold up very well through the years. Very good investment. So first item. Let's go to my second one. So guys, I also picked up a little charm. And before we put the mini Rowan away, this is the mini charm that I picked up. So we have the Coach C, and we have the canvas in the shape of a star, and it has the silver hardware here. I forgot how much this costs. I'm gonna have to put it in a description below, but this is the little charm to put on my bag, and I'm gonna just show it to you guys. I know I'm doing 2 different tones of metals, and don't say anything to me about it, but I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like on the mini Rowan here, and it's just so cute. I have a lot of Coach bags. I do love the charms that like they come with. Like some of the old school ones, which I love, was the Poppy collection. I was very upset when they stopped making it, but I loved it because it always had like the charms and stuff on it. So I picked that up because it was relatively cheap. I do remember it was cheap, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. So that's the second thing I bought. So let's go to the next thing, guys. So I've been having my eye on this item here for a minute, and I figured I would just buy it when the Black Friday sale came. So guys, let me pull it out. I picked up the Coach notebook here. I know I'm so extra. But I wanted to see how I do with this because I was looking at the Louis Vuitton one and I didn't know if I would use it or not. So I said, let me try with the Coach one because this is pretty inexpensive compared to that one. And this is the notebook here. We have a gold tone button here. It opens up like so. I've actually started using it, which is a good sign. This is what the inside looks like. And it's just a bunch of, you know, blank pages. Blank pages. And that's the inside, and this is the back where the notebook is sticking out, and I just love it. So I've already started using it, putting my little ideas in here, but I picked this up as well on the Black Friday sale. So let's go to my next item. So guys, we also do buy other things than purses on this channel here. Now, I am a huge Coach lover. I have lots of Coach shoes. So, adding to my collection here, I got myself some shoes. So let me show you the shoes that I picked up. And I like the fact these would just slip on. So these are the shoes that I picked up. And the older I get, I'm finding myself uber lazy. I do not like tying my shoes. So I thought these would be so cute. Just running your normal errands and having these to just slip your foot in and go about your day. So it has a nice thick sole. This is the bottom of the shoe. And these are my new Coach shoes to my addition here. These were $75 and like 60 cents or something. Yeah, so they were under $100 for these shoes, which is really good. So I can't wait to use these. I've added these shoes to my collection as well. So let's go on to the very last item that I have, right? So guys, I love my bags. As you know, I had to finish this off with another bag. Of course, of course, of course. So here's another bag that I picked up, and guys, this is what I got. So this is the Rowan, the regular size one, and this one is in brown and black, as you can see. And I don't remember how much this cost, but I know the tag, the regular price on here was $3.50. But Mama did not pay $3.50 for this. I know I didn't pay $3.50 for this. So as you can see, we got the gold hardware. We have feet on the bottom of this bag that are also in gold. So guys, this is your 360 view of this bag in slow motion. As slow as I'm going to go anyway. And you notice all the gold hardware. And again, we have the gold zipper. And we have the gold feet on the bottom. And I love the fact that the handles are black here. And we do have space to put stuff in here, guys. A lot more space than the mini. And then on the inside, I've taken all the paper out. I still have a few things with the tab. You see the zipper here. And a Coach name back here. So we got a back pocket. Then on this side, we do have a pocket on this side as well in the bag. And the bag is, this is a nice size bag. You can get a lot of stuff in here, guys. So this is the Rowan, the regular size. And this is in black and brown is the color. And I think I'm going to start using this bag as of tomorrow. This is nice. I can't wait to use this. So I'm gonna switch all my stuff out of my Teddy Blake bag and put this one in use. This is perfect for this time of year. And I wanted to carry a little bit less. So I think I'll do well with switching my things out of that one and putting them in this one. So guys, we have a total of 2 bags, a pair of shoes, and a notebook for this entire haul. So I was busy. I will put the prices below in the description of what I paid for everything. So this is all my little paid for stuff here. But I am a big Coach lover, always have been. One of the first designers that I've ever really purchased and spent a little bit of coin on starting out. So they're always my first love. I'm always buying their stuff. It does not stop. We don't just go to high end, we go to contemporary as well, and I love these kind of bags. Coach holds up. So if you don't know, they hold up. Definitely give the bags a try if you have not already, but they're my favorite bags. I rotate them out almost like every 2 weeks. I'm switching bags, so I can really make use of all the bags that I have. But they do very well, and I've had bags that I just gave my mom, and I looked in the receipt. It was from 2012. The bag is in excellent condition. So they hold up very well if you guys don't know. But guys, thank you today for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my Coach haul. I hope you guys picked up something awesome as well from the Coach sales and have gotten yourself a little something nice for yourself. You know, you gotta treat yourself, treat yourself. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do different subscription unboxings. I do makeup hauls. I also am a huge purse lover, so I will show you guys what I'm picking up in the purse world. And you can stay up to date with me on all my videos. I do post weekly. I would love to have you a part of my family here on this channel. Please hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. It'll let you know when my next video drops. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!